Hello guys, babatiin lang natin ng maligayang karawan ng isang kaibigan si Sawaiti, ang may-ari ng Peryaan. Yan, kung kilala niyo ang may-ari ng Peryaan, nandiyan si Ate Ali. Yan, Ate Ali Philcan Vlog yan. Yan, kung nakakailangan kayo ng banana yan, puntahan yan. Napakaraming banana yan sa Ate Ali. At mag-enjoy kayo para kayo nasa Peryaan talaga pagka punta kay Ate Ali. Yan, Ate Ali, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and alam ko malamig sa lugar nyo, enjoy ka rin sa pagpapalo ng snow. Yan, magpala ka na magpala dyan, at magandang yan, magandang content yan. Yan, enjoy your day, Ate Ali, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Maraming salamat din sa laging pagsuporta sa aming mga channel ng Team Puyaters. Yan, maraming salamat, Ate Ali, sa enjoy lang, enjoy. At marunong ka ng kumanta ngayon. Yan, Ate Ali, enjoy your day, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Ali. Lamig. Nandito kami ngayon ni kay Mami para batiin ka ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Yan, Ate Ali, happy birthday. May you have more birthday to come, good health and more blessings to come. Yan, thank you dahil isa ka sa naging parte ng The Puyaters. Salamat sa suporta at lagi kang mag-iingat kasama ng iyong pamilya. Yan. Happy birthday, Ate Ali. Love you, Mama. Kay Mami.
Hi, Sisi Ali. Hello po, magandang araw, magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat dyan. Saan man sulok ng mundo tayo nandoon. I'm here po, si Kaskaserang Mami and Ellen Kiss, para bumati sa ating kapatid na Sisi Ali Philcan. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sisi Ali. May you have many more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Ayun. Good health always, Sisi Ali, at thank you na nakilala ka namin at nakasama ka namin sa Deep Puyaters team. And yun lang, enjoy always sa yung live streaming everyday at ingat ka lagi dyan. We love you. Mama,
enjoy your day. Yan, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alam niyo bang ang lamig-lamig?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Ali.
Yan. Happy birthday, Sisi
And
Ali.
thank you so much. Ayan o, umuusok pa yung aming mga bibig. Oh.
Ang lamig-lamig din eh.
Para kaming nagyoyosi pero hindi. Ayan.
Okay, bye-bye po.
Bye. The Puyaters of Timor na Ball, shout out. Bye.
Here we go. Shout out Sis Ali Philcan Vlog. I want to say thank you, first of all, that God give you another chance, another year, and another page of your life. Maraming bagay na mahirap ipaliwanag sa mundo. And we are not expecting also. And sa lahat ng mga taong nagpakatotoo sa akin, isa ka doon. And you know that, Ate Ali, I am very sensitive person. Kaya pagdating sa mga jokes na medyo hindi na maganda sa paningin ko at sa tenga ko, naglalaylo ako. Do you remember that? Kinonsult ako sa iyo. So far, nobody's perfect. And I want you to know that Alex is one of good friend of yours. 100% po yan. And I am assured for myself na totoo ako sa inyo lahat. So far, this is birthday greetings, right? And I don't want you to make sad. Ate Ali, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you for everything you done. Nobody replace you na nagpakatotoo sa akin. Pipigilan ko yung luha ko, okay? Na-feel ko yun kasi when the time comes na I'm feeling alone, nandyan ka. Nag-end ka sa live mo, tumawag ka sa akin. Tinawagan mo ako just to comfort me. And I'm so thankful. Ate Ali, nobody's perfect. Kahit sa sandaling nagkakilala tayo, you know who is Alex Jana. Oh my God. Emote pa rin hanggang ngayon. So, Ate Ali, I wish you all the best with your family, siyempre. For everyone, always remember, I love you. God bless and happy birthday. Smile. From Alex.
Hi, Sisi Ali. Happy birthday to you. Having the opportunity to wish you a happy birthday and celebrate the life of a great friend like you is a true gift. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, many more birthdays to come, at sana you stay sweet and kind as you are, and also you are so very helpful, sincere ka sa pagtulong sa kapwa mo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Anyway, enjoy lang. Have a blessed day on your special day. Happy birthday, Sisi Ali.
Sisi Ale, happy birthday! Sana ikaw ay masaya ngayon sa iyong kaarawan. At pagpalain ka ng may kapal. Kasi ako ay makapal din. Joke. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Thanks for being friendship with me. And thank you for supporting. Supporting. Basta, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Excuse me po. Sabi ni Mike Enriquez, excuse me po. Basta, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang ganda ng mask ko. Ganito talaga kaso kung magpa-sleep. Sleepy ano to? Pang sleepy. Para hindi ako maisturbo. Ganyan ako pag natulog. Happy birthday again. Hi. Happy birthday to you.
are you? How old are you now? Charot. Good night. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.